right? Typed or stamped beneath the signature, right? So initialed or impressed signature will not be accepted. Documents submitted under 18.4C may be authenticated as original document by digital signature, right? So they can be authenticated, meaning authenticate them as original documents. Sign. A document includes any presidential proclamation or executive order and any rule, regulation, order, certificate, code of fair competition, license, notice, or similar instrument issued, prescribed, or promulgated by an agency. All right. So a document is a presidential proclamation, usually authorized by a president of a company, authorizing the exchange, transfer, assignment of certain instruments for performance, for production, for sale, purchase, so forth, so on. Now, the thing that stood out to me the most when I read this is that it says the original, right? And each duplicate original.